This is the man that slaughtered these two girls. Listen to me. Police have been slaughtered that man. That man have been by. But I want to use this opportunity to talk to you. If you are into this kind of business this man is doing, look at this man. All his money, all his motors, all his shoes, everything vanity upon vanity. Now look at where the man end up to. Upon all his car, all his money, he have a visa to travel outside Nigeria. He has money, but look at where everything ended. Listen to me, if you are into this kind of business, you slaughter people, do you sure? Whether you are Yahoo, whether you are business, or whether you are politicians, I don't know whatever you are doing, but you are into using your fellow human being, slaughter them, use them, do ritual and other things. Listen to me, one day it will be your turn. This is not the first time or the second time this man was doing such thing, but this is his end. Knowing to him that he will not succeed. Vanity upon vanity. All his money when he get, look at how the man end up to. You, young lady, you are moving around, doing hookup. Now look at how these young girls ended. Tomorrow it may be your turn. Be very careful. Don't allow money to push you. Because I saw that the man priced them they told this man 1 million naira. It's like the man accepted. So two of them started going to meet the man, or knowing to them that they will not return this journey. They have planned what they will use that money to do. They have planned what they will use that money to buy. But unknowing to them that they will end up like this. They don't know. If you are into hookup, all this Bible said that shall not commit adultery or fornication. Stay away from all those things. Stay away from all those things. And to me, whatever a man soweth in this life, you will reap what you sow. You that are doing this kind of ritual, tomorrow may be your turn. Repent from all this evil and surrender your life to Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Tomorrow may be your turn if you are into this business. By this time last year, this man enjoying his life, unknowing to him that this business is into, we end him up in the year 2024. Unknowing to him. Listen to me, young lady. If you are into hookup, this thing may be your portion tomorrow. You may say it's not my portion. It may be your portion tomorrow. They have different ways by slaughtering young lady. Then after you may left the guy, you may have mental issue. You may have sickness that will buy you. Be careful, young lady. Don't use because of money to sell your birthright. All the young men that are looking money like that are looking money for all means. Please wait for God's time. Do your work, do your job, do your business with a genuine heart, with the fear of God. When the time of God will come, God will lift you higher. Focus on your business. Forget all this sharp money. Forget all this ritual thing. When Satan will give you something with the left hand, Satan will correct it with right hand. Be very careful. Be very careful. Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom. Please make sure that you share this message.